So as an ethical hacker, are you going to hack systems? Of course you are. That's where the good stuff is. You want to get into those servers. You want to steal data. You want to deface websites. You want to steal user accounts. Yeah, you're going to do system hacking. So you're going to do all these things we've talked about. So here are just some high-level steps. See if there are any systems that don't require a password. Or, conversely, identify the systems that are password protected, the systems and the services. If you can, try network-based buffer overflows or other remote exploits. Try cracking passwords using all the methods: dictionary, brute force, rainbow table, hash dumping, pass the hash. Try to break in and install Trojans, spyware, keyloggers. If you manage to get in and it's low level, which is usually how it starts, try to escalate privilege. You might have to get an end user to help you by having them open up something through social engineering or click a link. Or you could exploit operating system or service or application weaknesses. Hide files if applicable, and of course, don't forget to cover your tracks. So let's review real quick. What do we know? Well, we know quite a bit now. There are many tools you can use to hack a system. I mean, we had whole lists of them. Go back and look at the lists. When you're hacking system services, prefer buffer overflows or some kind of exploit that, and here's the key, allows remote privilege execution. You want remote execution in a privileged way. That's what you're really after. Ultimately, you want to escalate privilege if you didn't get it to begin with. And you want to maintain control either by delivering your payload or installing a rat. If you have exhausted your password cracking dictionary, try brute forcing, man in the middle, or social engineering to get the password. Use NTFS streams and steganography to hide files and data. And don't forget to cover your tracks. And that is system hacking.